Now, how can you erase the ink on the iPad with a single click? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so what you probably are referring to is the fact that you can go to the Notes app, for example, right? And you can start scribbling. And when you can find like the options to change the pen size, like the pencils, you can go to the eraser, but sometimes you are only deleting parts of the selection or the lines or drawing, but other times you are like deleting the whole thing, and you can switch between it when you tap on the eraser once again. And you can either choose the pixel eraser or object eraser. The difference is, of course, that when you touch like a whole line, it will disappear fully. Whereas with the pixel eraser, only the selected pixels which you click are going to disappear. So both use cases are great, but it depends on what exactly you're going after. If you quickly want to get rid of your stuff, then using the eraser for objects is most definitely going to be much useful and quicker. You also know which one you have selected, because when you look at the select tool, when you have the object eraser, the eraser has a little X icon below it, right? So you can see when you switch to pixel, the X disappears. So the object one is indicated by the X icon. But that's how it works. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.